In today's video, we'll dive into the 3 new ways of making money online in 2023. These can help you make up to $10 every single day. So, if you are interested in that, then ensure to stick with me until the end of this video. Let's go to the video. Our first platform is that's going to pay you for participating in paid surveys and cash offers. They also offer you a daily bonus. There are user tasks, which you can do. They also give you an opportunity to earn by referring others to use their platform, and it's called Pagazani. Guys, the best thing is, this platform is available worldwide and it is a legit platform that pays people worldwide for doing all those different tasks. Their sign-up process is very simple, guys. So once you've come to their platform, you can see this application over here. This is the form, where you will fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, your username, and create a password and click register to sign up. This is how your dashboard will look like. At the top here, you have the survey offer walls. So you can select service take surveys. You can update your survey profile here. You can see your survey history. You can also check out different offers, and you'll see here that they've got a long list of offer walls that you can participate in. They've got survey Reuters over here. They also have contests, where you can participate in monthly contests. They have a daily bonus. Just by logging in daily, you can claim a daily bonus over there. You can also earn money here by promoting as an affiliate. So, when you click Promote Affiliate Program over here, you will then get a link that was already created for you over here. So you simply copy this link and share it with others who might want to end with this opportunity, and by doing so you earn commissions with this platform. The second one is a very exciting one, because they've got a different payout options, which opens up for more people worldwide to earn money using this platform. As you can see here, you can earn money via PayPal, Robux, crypto voucher, Amazon gift card, Steam, Allegro, and way more. This platform is called EarnWeb. I'll leave your links in my description box down below for all the websites that I'll be mentioning here. You'll get paid for completing different tasks. Here, you can earn in games, in offers, in cashbacks, in questionnaire and specials. Another incredible thing about this platform is, it has a very simple sign-up process to get started in signing up. You come to the website and select account over here. You have this option here to register. You can register with your Facebook account, with your Steam account, or with your Google account. Once you've signed up, you will then be able to log into your account and access your dashboard. Now I'm just going to access my dashboard to show you what you can expect to how it looks like inside. Once you've signed into your account, you'll get to see the different types of paying offer walls, different tasks that you can do to earn money with the platform. And you can already see that they've got quite a few over here at the top. Here, you also get to see the people who are currently earning, who have cashed out from the platform. Another incredible thing here is, they've got a low cash out threshold as well. So, you don't need to accumulate a lot of money. As soon as you have $1, which is about 1.24 coins, you can choose to cash out from the platform to your PayPal account, or with a different cash gift cards and crypto that we have seen in the beginning, and this web is the second platform that can help you earn 10 every single day. Our last website or platform is called Studio Now. This is a platform that hires creative to create content. So you can share your high-quality videos, high-quality photographs, and earn money in this platform. To make money, you should come to become a creator, over there on the right, and join their global creative network. As you'll see here, they say, we are looking for talented photographers, videographers, producers, designers, animators, editors, writers, and production companies. Apply today and start working for some of the biggest brands in the world. And what you'll do here is, after clicking apply now, you'll sign up by filling in a form or with your Google account. Then confirm your account and start filling in your profile. You also have to start uploading your content that you want to advertise yourself with, or you want to sell here. But the good thing is with this platform, you get an opportunity to chat with your clients to set your rates. So I think it's an incredible way of making money in 2023 and one worth checking out, although it might not start with $10 a day. It can get to that, and even much more. Let me know what you think in the comment section about this new ending opportunities that can make you $10 every single day or even more. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys get some value of this video. So, don't forget subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one and thanks for watching.